Welcome to AZ Solutions, Basic Formatting Using Word. We're going to show you the concept of change case. If you select your text and you would like to make it all into uppercase, from the Home tab you'll find the Change Case button and you will see uppercase. You can also change it to lowercase, sentence case, capitalizing each word, or toggle case. I'm going to now show you lowercase and sentence case. You can also use your shortcut key, Shift F3, and this will cycle between uppercase, lowercase and sentence case. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions, Basic Formatting. Be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.